Among the many known health benefits of apple cider vinegar, it is one of the best ingredients for treating a variety of foot-related diseases. Some of you may dislike the smell of apple cider vinegar, but once you learn about its health benefits, you will not be able to ignore it. Among its many health benefits, apple cider vinegar aids in the reduction of body weight, fat, and cholesterol. However, caution is advised, particularly for those who are allergic to apple cider vinegar. They should only use it after consulting with a doctor. Here are numerous health benefits of soaking feet in apple cider vinegar water. Treat sore feet muscles. Apple cider vinegar contains potassium, which aids in muscle toning. Add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to half a bucket of water. Soak your feet in warm water for about 30 minutes. It aids in the treatment of achy feet muscles. Treat athlete's foot. Apple cider vinegar contains natural acidity, which aids in the fungus's death. It is one of the best natural treatments for athlete's foot. Treat callus. Apply apple cider vinegar to your callus with a cotton swab. Allow it to sit overnight. In the morning, clean it up. Apply a thin layer of coconut oil to it. Continue to do this once a day. It aids in the effective treatment of callus. Toenail fungus. Add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to half a bucket of water. Soak your feet in warm water for about 30 minutes. Remove it and pat it dry. Massage in some tea tree oil. This should be done at least twice a day. This speeds up the healing of the toenail fungus. Remove corns. Corns are small hard growths that can be seen between the toes or on the sides of the feet and are usually caused by friction or pressure. Soak your corn-covered feet in a bucket of water mixed with half a cup of apple cider vinegar for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the feet, pat them dry, and then apply castor oil to the corn. This should be done for about 10 to 15 days to help remove the corn. Prevent and treat foot odor. Take about half a cup of apple cider vinegar and thoroughly mix it in a bucket of water. Soak your feet for about 15 minutes in the bucket. Then, to remove the smell of apple cider vinegar, wash your feet with soap and water. This aids in the prevention and treatment of foot odor. Cracked heels. Add about half a cup of apple cider vinegar to a bucket filled with water. Soak your feet for about 15 minutes in the bucket. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar aids in the softening of the skin. It also facilitates exfoliation and aids in the treatment of cracked heels. Soothe tired feet. Excessive walking wears out your feet. In such cases, simply soaking your feet in a bucket of water mixed with apple cider vinegar can provide a soothing effect for tired feet. Thank you for watching and may this information useful for you.